Hello, and welcome to a tour of Hotel Posada del Don Rodrigo Antigua. This is one of the nicest hotels in all of Antigua, and it's just steps away from Arco de Santa Catalina. We were here in April, and while I was looking online, there's not a great tour of this hotel. I really wish I had this video before we booked our stay. The hotel ended up being excellent, but at the time of booking, I didn't know. So here's a complete guide to everything you need to know for your upcoming stay at Hotel Posada del Don Rodrigo Antigua. Our hotel room was on the second floor overlooking one of the many courtyard gardens. The entire grounds are scattered with these beautiful gardens and fountains. Um, our room came with a queen size bed and a bathroom. The fireplace was not usable, but we didn't really try. I don't think there was AC. We didn't need it during our trip, but there's huge windows in the front and then also some smaller windows in the bathroom. So there was great airflow going through the room the whole time. It's pretty well equipped and kind of a cute small room. One of the interesting things about it, like it's Guatemala, you can't drink the water, so we'll show it in a second, but they gave you waters when you came in. There's also water jugs with purified water outside for you. One of the funnier things about this hotel is the key is absolutely massive, and it is the actual key, so you have to keep it with you. We're at going to weddings, so you have to figure out somewhere to put this massive key, but it sure was fun every time unlocking your door with just this huge key. Really brought you into the vibe of this entire hotel. The hotel restaurant is actually one of the better restaurants in the city. We highly recommend it. We only tried it our last days there, but it was excellent. They're hand making the food, they have an ample bar. The food was excellent. You're overlooking a different garden than the one we are at in our room, but the food was excellent. This isn't all meals, but the meal that we went to happened to have a performance. We knew this on the calendar. So this is I don't have the backstory on you, but you can choose to sit inside or you can choose to be outside. Inside got the performance, outside was quiet and peaceful and there was birds flying around. So it's up to you if you would like this, but this is something that the hotel offers. One famous aspect of this hotel that people who aren't even staying here will oftentimes stop by and check out is the art walk. So there's artists oftentimes painting or selling paintings throughout the grounds, and people love to walk through and check them all out. While you're here, it's impossible to miss, but it really sets the vibe of the quality and experience of staying at this hotel. And one secret room is the armory room. You need access from the front desk, but they'll let you in whether you just want to see it or if you have some work calls to take. But it's this beautiful room with the coat of arms and artwork all over the walls, great lighting out to the street. Highly recommend asking if you're here on a stay. And that's everything you need to know for your stay at Hotel Posada del Don Rodrigo Antigua. I'm sure that people who have been there before will come across this video and people looking to plan trips. So if you have additional questions about Antigua or the hotel, feel free to put them in the comments and you'll get some answers there. Thank you and safe travels.